Naging matagumpay ang pagdaraos ng Earth Hour 2015 kung saan ipinakita ng mga mamamayan at iba't ibang organisasyon ang kanilang pagmamahal sa ating kalikasan. Narito ang report ni Ara Perez.
Matagumpay na naipadama ng mga Pilipino ang kanilang pagmamahal sa kalikasan sa katatapos lamang na Earth Hour 2015. Ginanap ang main switch-off sa Quezon City Memorial Circle kung saan ikinuwento ni Gia Ibay, National Director ng Earth Hour Philippines, kung bakit natatangi ang pagdiriwang ng Earth Hour sa Pilipinas kumpara sa ibang bansa.
Filipinos like that, and Filipinos like to, be part of something bigger than themselves. And we're really glad that they've embraced Earth Hour for 9 years going. So masayang-masaya kami. And I hope it's not just because they want to be part of very fun and entertaining and meaningful, but I hope they continue to do this on our daily basis.
Hindi na ito nakapagtataka dahil kinilala ang Pilipinas bilang Earth Hour Hero Country mula 2009 hanggang 2013 dahil sa 15 milyong Pilipinong nakilahok dito. Kaya naman tiwala si Ibay na marami pa tayong magagawa sa ngalan ng energy conservation, lalo pat may nagbabadyang power crisis sa darating na tag-init. Aniya, magandang solusyon dito ang paggamit ng renewable energy.
Renewable energy sources are so abundant in our country. So talagang gusto namin na people will be able to promote this and hopefully use it. We see it now there's a lot of uptake. There are solar panels in malls, and the roofs of malls, houses. We now have wind farms which are very close to Metro Manila and also sprouting other provinces aside from in Ilocos. So we really want and encourage the government to continue to promote this in this very clean investments.
Samantala, nakaisa rin ng Hive Hotel and Convention Place sa Earth Hour. Dala ang green advocacy nito.
Hive Hotel was built on the foundation of green living and green initiative, and the least we could do is to participate in Earth Hour because that's what really the hotel stands for, environmental protection all the time.
Para kay Vinson, malayo ang mararating ng simple ngunit makabuluhang pagtitipid, tulad na lamang ng paglilimita sa paggamit ng air conditioning system.
I really choose not to use air conditioning all the time as much as possible, especially when I'm alone, because I know the effects of air conditioning in the environment. Even if it's a small sacrifice, but I know that it will go a long way in protecting our environment.
Ganito rin ang paniniwala ni Ibay dahil higit pa sa isang oras ay may panghabang buhay na responsibilidad na nakaatang sa atin sa pangangalaga ng ating kalikasan.
We know that we have only one planet to live and yet we're consuming more than that. So I think by conserving energy is just one little step we can be able to make to help conserve the resources that we have in this planet.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.